Hi, CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage we'll be showing you how to install our SSC2 chase light kit like you see here on this 2023 Polaris Turbo R4 Premium, and if you have the reverse light kit, the install process will be the exact same. First, we'll need to remove the driver's seat, starting with undoing each of the adjustment buckles with the red pull tabs. Using a plastic trim tool, pry up on the front of the cup holder to pop it out of place. Then there will be a connector with blue tabs you'll need to reach in and disconnect, feeding the one end under and out from the center console. Now we can feed the safety harness through the back of the seat. Finally, we can remove the seat by pulling the release handle and tilting the seat forward, up, and out. With a 10mm socket, we can loosen the positive and negative terminal of the battery and secure the red wire from our harness to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Then you can tuck and secure the relay out of the way next to the battery. Next, with a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts along the bottom side of the center console. Following up the kick panel, there will be 2 more 10mm bolts and 2 plastic clips to remove with a plastic trim removal tool. Coming to the center console, lift up the rubber shift cover and remove the 1 T40 Torx bolt and remove the shifter trim. With the switch disconnected from the harness, we will route the white connector lead under the center console, past the cup holders and shifter, making sure to route the lead down and around the gear shifting bracket, not through. Then you can follow the lead all the way toward the firewall, bringing it up and out of the circular hole found at the back of the passenger kick panel. To mount our switch, use a pick tool to pop out one of the stock switch blanks. If you'll be utilizing the included round 3-way toggle switch, you'll first need to trim the key slot on the switch using a pair of snips. Using a step bit, we'll then drill a hole in our switch blank to about 20.5mm or until the switch fits snug. You can then feed the white lead through the front of our switch blank and press the switch into place with the double lines on the top. We will then route the switch lead from the firewall through the back of our switch panel, connecting our switch and pressing it into place. Coming back to the battery, we can route our DT leads under the plastic covering and up the B-pillar. Once your leads reach the roof, we can route one straight back and the other across and to the rear, securing it in place using zip ties. Now we can bolt our roll bar mounts to the rear cage, starting by sliding our ring over the bar, aligning the platform with the ring and fastening them down using the supplied long 3/16 Allen bolt, washers, and nut. Then secure the roll bar L bracket to our roll bar mount with our other supplied 3/16 Allen bolt and washer, making sure that it is level before tightening our bracket down using a 3/16 Allen and a 10mm socket. Now bolt the SSC2 universal bracket to our L bracket using the supplied carriage bolt, washer, lock washer, and nut hand tight. Next, we'll bolt our SSC2 to our universal bracket with the supplied 5/32 Allen bolt and nut, hand tight, and then repeat these steps on the other side. Finally, we can make our aiming adjustments, starting with rotating our pods left and right, tightening it down with a 13mm wrench. Then tilt your pods up and down, tightening them with a 5/32 Allen and 3/8 wrench. With everything functioning and aimed properly, we can reassemble everything by reversing the steps we used to take it apart and secure any loose wiring with zip ties, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. As you can see, this kit allows you to easily add 2 SSC2 LED pods as chase lights, giving you more visibility in dust or fog to drivers behind you with an additional amber backlight. So when you stop on the trail, you can switch the backlight on for general scene lighting. If you're looking to pick up an SSC2 chase light kit for your ride or any of our other great products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.